Cool. Cool. UFO. Back on my shit with a new advantage. I leave it up to you to settle the damage. Diamond, yeah, I know it's foreign to him. I came from the guts of rural Alabama. Steph Curry wrist, watch with the handle. Simple motors, gotta lead by example. Not too many make it out when they doubt. Never been about bailing off of my route. Rain gang, got the city HD. Hate to see my brother die every week. Numb to your vision. My life got me too fucked up. Disrespect to make a nigga go dumb. Pillow talking while you nursing that bitch and turn you to a scrub. I let prices from the plug. Bay Shore, Ocean View, I win Adidas with the boots. Niggas out here slinging arbitrage, so the money really no excuse. Welcome to the realm. Drugs creeping like spinning cell. I've been on a mission from the county jail. Gotta justify every move as a notable. Wave pattern, every lyrical quotable. Kinda hard to know, ain't too many coders, you know. Mr. Freeze with the sleeves, Sunday morning with the ease. I'm really with it, I'm untamed, unkind. I finesse a nigga blind. I'm on when you offline. Out of sight, out of mind. Mind you, never knew. Now I count up on my revenue. Pussy come up from the Amazon. Don Juan with the Jews. Mind you, never knew. Now I count up on my revenue. Pussy come up from the Amazon. Don Juan with the Jews. Mind you, never knew. Now I count up on my revenue. Pussy come up from the Amazon. Don Juan with the Jews. Bitch, you are not from this area. See, we can drop bombs and get aerial. That's just my moment of clarity. Not too many can compare. Jump off the bridge on that dare. We gon' maintain the truth. I'm Johnny Cochran in the booth. I never lose. You look confused. Do your research, get a clue. Kudos to the game, rain gang, get it all with some tax too. I'm biting down on some big coins and your bid blowing on my sack. Oh. Numb to your vision. My life got me too far. This shit all y'all fault. I'm a fool with the salt. Running county after county, I swear I'm money hunting after the bounty. While you was living off a basic allowance, me and Mark were been running 1,000.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.